Alexander Calder was an American artist who lived from 1898 to 1976. Rouge Triomphant, seen here, is one of Calder's most famous works. It consists of sheet metal, rod, wire, and paint assembled in a design that stretches nearly half a dozen meters across and weighs approximately 70 kilograms. In early 2022, Cadogan Tate was asked to install Rouge Triomphant in the lobby of one of the most prestigious buildings in Manhattan. Rouge Triomphant presented a special challenge. Like many of Calder's works, it is a kinetic sculpture consisting of multiple, delicate moving parts that are meant to balance against each other. In addition, the installation would have to take place overnight, both for considerations of safety and to avoid disrupting foot traffic. After meticulous planning with architects, structural engineers, and contractors, it was decided to create a hole in the floating ceiling, drill into the concrete slab above, and insert a threaded rod with epoxy into the concrete. Once the rod had been installed, the ceiling was restored and a steel wire was secured. With this in place, it was time to open the two giant crates containing Calder's masterpiece. Piece by piece, the sculpture was carefully assembled. Every step of the way, the Cadogan Tate team had to both predict and react to the way each element of Rouge Triomphant behaved in real life. With painstaking care, the sculpture was brought into exquisite balance. Behold, Rouge Triomphant in its new home. This is another monumental chapter that brings the Cadogan Tate story to new heights. As always, everything was handled with care. Everything handled with care.